Hello everyone, welcome to Merit Article. In this video, we're diving into the science of effective studying. Whether you're a student looking to boost your grades or someone seeking to enhance your learning skills, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll explore evidence-based tips and strategies approved by experts to help you study smarter, not harder. If you find these tips helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content on improving your learning skills, and hit the bell icon for new updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Use spaced repetition. Spaced repetition is a proven technique that involves reviewing material at increasing intervals over time. Instead of cramming all your studying into one session, spaced repetition helps strengthen memory by strategically spacing out review sessions. When you learn something new, your memory of it starts to fade. By reviewing the material at specific intervals, like after a day, a few days later, then a week later, and so on, you reinforce the neural pathways associated with that information. Research by psychologists like Dr. Henry Roediger III and Dr. Robert Bjork shows that spaced repetition significantly improves long-term retention. You can use flashcards or apps like Anki to implement spaced repetition into your study routine. This method optimizes learning and boosts memory retention over time. Number 2. Active recall and practice retrieval. Active recall and practice retrieval involve actively retrieving information from memory without relying on external cues. Instead of simply reviewing notes, challenge yourself to recall key concepts or facts from memory. This process strengthens memory pathways and enhances long-term retention by consolidating learning. Research conducted by psychologists like Dr. Jeffrey Karpik and Dr. Henry Roediger III demonstrates that practicing retrieval through self-quizzing or using flashcards is more effective for learning compared to passive studying methods. By incorporating active recall and practice retrieval into your study routine, you can boost understanding and memory recall of important material. Number 3. Interleaved practice. Interleaved practice involves mixing different topics or types of problems during study sessions. Instead of focusing on one subject exclusively, this approach challenges your brain to discriminate between concepts and problem-solving strategies, leading to deeper learning and improved retention. Research shows that interleaved practice, studied by cognitive scientists like Dr. Robert Bjork, enhances the ability to transfer knowledge to new contexts. To use interleaved practice, mix up your study materials and alternate between subjects or problem types to boost understanding and real-world problem-solving skills. Number 4. Seek understanding, not just memorization. Rather than solely focusing on memorizing facts, prioritize understanding the underlying concepts. By comprehending why and how things work, you'll enhance your ability to apply knowledge effectively in different situations. Connect new information to existing knowledge, ask insightful questions, and engage in discussions with peers or instructors. Research by psychologists like Dr. Stephen Chu emphasizes that deep processing, which involves actively thinking about the meaning of information, leads to better learning outcomes. Make a conscious effort to prioritize comprehension over rote memorization by breaking down complex topics and establishing connections between related concepts. Number 5. Practice self-explanation and teach what you've learned. Self-explanation involves verbalizing concepts to yourself in your own words, which deepens understanding and aids memory retention. When you explain a concept to yourself, you're actively processing the information and clarifying your comprehension. Teaching what you've learned to others further solidifies your understanding and mastery of the material. By explaining complex ideas in simpler terms and answering questions, you reinforce key concepts and enhance recall. Research by cognitive scientists like Dr. Michaeline Chi has shown that engaging in self-explanation and teaching activities promotes meaningful learning and improves long-term retention of knowledge. To implement this strategy, try summarizing key points from your notes or textbooks aloud. You can also organize study groups where you take turns teaching each other the material. These activities not only reinforce understanding but also boost your confidence in applying what you've learned effectively. Number 6. Avoid multitasking and create a distraction-free environment. Multitasking can impair learning and productivity by dividing attention and increasing the likelihood of errors. To optimize concentration and retention, focus on one task at a time during study sessions. Minimize distractions such as phone notifications, background noise, or cluttered study spaces. Research shows that a distraction-free environment enhances cognitive performance and learning outcomes. By dedicating uninterrupted study time in a quiet, organized space, you can improve information absorption and retention effectively. Number 7. Set specific goals. Setting specific goals is essential for effective studying. Clear objectives provide direction and motivation, helping you stay focused and improving your overall performance. When setting goals, define what you want to achieve in each study session or over a specific time frame. Break down tasks into specific, achievable goals such as mastering a particular concept, completing a set number of practice problems, or finishing a chapter within a designated time frame. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals keeps you on track and enhances your study efficiency. Number 8. Use the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method that involves breaking study sessions into 25-minute focused intervals followed by 5-minute breaks. This approach helps improve concentration, combat procrastination, and maintain productivity. Research shows that regular breaks recharge the brain and enhance focus. Use a timer to work for 25 minutes, then take a short break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break before resuming. Experiment with interval lengths to find what works best for you. Number 9. Use visual aids and diagrams. Incorporating visual aids like charts, diagrams, and mind maps can significantly enhance comprehension and retention of information. Visual learning engages different cognitive processes, making complex concepts more accessible and memorable. Experiment with using diagrams and visual tools to illustrate relationships between ideas and create mental connections. Research shows that visual representations improve learning outcomes by facilitating deeper understanding and organization of information. By leveraging visual aids, you can enhance your ability to grasp and retain complex concepts effectively, making studying both productive and engaging. Beyond specific study techniques, prioritizing overall well-being is crucial for optimizing learning and academic performance. Ensure adequate sleep of 7 to 9 hours per night to support cognitive function and memory consolidation. Incorporate regular breaks into study sessions and engage in relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Stay hydrated and eat balanced meals with brain-boosting foods to support optimal brain function. Manage stress through mindfulness or yoga to enhance resilience and learning capacity. Additionally, maintain an organized study space and use tools like planners to manage time effectively. By integrating these holistic strategies with effective study methods, you'll promote a balanced approach to learning that fosters academic success while supporting your overall well-being. Thank you for watching. I hope these study tips will help you succeed. Remember to like, comment, and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more educational content. Happy studying! This is Merit Article. See you in the next video.